Have you ever used Siri to find your way? Notice how Netflix seems to know what you want to watch next? Or talk with an AI online? If you have, then you've already experienced artificial intelligence, a technology that's becoming a natural part of our everyday lives and changing the way we live, work, and connect. Building machines with human-like reasoning, learning, and adaptability is necessary for artificial intelligence. These machines must be able to process data, to solve complex problems, recognize patterns, and even engage in a natural dialogue. It plays a crucial role in the modern world by helping people work more efficiently, make better decisions, and develop groundbreaking technologies that revolutionize daily life and entire industries. AI is now a fundamental component of modern life. From voice-activated digital assistants to search engines that understand our queries, driverless cars that travel safely on public roads, and AI chatbots that engage natural conversation apart from convenience. AI helps businesses predict trends and improve customer service, and it helps doctors diagnose diseases. An innovative idea from early pioneers such as Alan Turing, who questioned whether machines were capable of thinking, has developed over decades of study and invention into a revolutionary force that is changing the way we interact with one another, live, and work in a rapidly digital changing world.
So now, let's tackle on how artificial intelligence started. Artificial intelligence started to take shape between the 1940s and 1960s. The one key figures during this time was Alan Turing, who asked a simple but powerful question: can machines think? He even created the Turing test to measure if a machine could act intelligently like a human. Early programs soon followed, like the logic theories in 1955 and ELIZA chatbot in 1966, which was an early chatbot that could hold basic conversations. These early systems use what's called symbolic AI, where machines follow logical rules step by step. Even though these machines were simple, these experiments marked the beginning of our journey toward true artificial intelligence. Secondly, AI winters. After the early excitement, AI hit some major setbacks in the 1970s through the 1990s, a period we now call the AI winters. Many early projects failed to deliver real results, and funding started to dry up. The main problems were slow computers, not enough data, and unrealistic expectations. Still, AI wasn't completely gone. The 1980s brought expert systems which used rules to solve specific specific problems, like helping doctors make diagnoses. These ups and downs remind scientists that AI progress takes time, patience, and the right technology, lessons that would pave way for AI's comeback in the 2000s.
During the 2000s and 2010s, artificial intelligence experienced a massive resurgence after decades of modest gains. This era is referred to as the recent resurgence of AI. The two primary drivers were the surge of big data and the advent of quicker computing capabilities. With the internet, smartphones, and social networks, massive volumes of data were being produced second by second. This provided AI systems with the data they required to learn and enhance themselves. Meanwhile, computers were also getting more powerful, so now it became feasible to train sophisticated models that will be able to identify images, comprehend speech, and even make decisions. This brought significant advances in machine learning and deep learning, where computers learn by examples rather than executing hard-coded rules. There were also a few major milestones in this period. In 2011, IBM's Watson defeated the TV show Jeopardy, demonstrating that computers could comprehend language and think for themselves through answering questions. In 2016, Google's AlphaGo beat one of the world's top Go players, demonstrating that AI was capable of playing very complex games. At this same period, autonomous vehicles also began to emerge, employing AI to sense obstacles, obey traffic laws, and make immediate driving decisions. These advancements demonstrated that AI was no longer purely theoretical. It was now a tangible, practical application which could address real-world complex problems. Of course, if we are going to talk about the history of AI, we have to talk about the biggest thing that happened in AI history, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a large language model that has been trained on massive amounts of text. What you type in, it interprets your words and provides a reply that is natural sounding and human sounding. If we are going to explain it in simple terms, it operates like input and then model and then output. This type of AI is currently applied in most fields. In learning, it guides students to study and write. In corporations, it aids in communication and customer service. In creative industries, it assists in coming up with stories, ideas, and designs. But ChatGPT and other AI systems also have issues. They may have sometimes provide incorrect information, be biased, or pose ethical concerns about regarding the use of AI. That's why it's essential to use AI properly and responsibly.
In the future, artificial intelligence or AI will play an even bigger role in our world. We will see AI helping doctors in medicine to find illnesses faster and make treatments more accurate. Robots will assist people in hospitals, schools, and even at home. In creative arts, AI will help artists design, plan, and make music in new and exciting ways. It will also help people make smart decisions in businesses and government by studying data quickly. There might even be artificial general intelligence which can think and learn like humans. People and AI will work together, but we must remember to follow ethical rules and create good laws to make sure AI is used safely and fairly for everyone. To sum it all up, AI has come a long way from a simple theory to something that truly changes our lives. It keeps growing through cycles of innovation and has evolved from theory to transformative reality. It has gone through continuous cycles of innovation and challenge, and AI is seen everywhere from our phones and computers to hospitals and factories. But even as it becomes more advanced, we need to guide its growth carefully. The future of AI depends on how responsibly we develop and use it. If we choose to use it wisely, then AI can make the world a better, safer, and more creative place for everyone.